today made it clear that it will not grant any stay on the Citizenship Amendment Act (CAA) without hearing the centre. A bench headed by Chief Justice S.A. Bodwe was hearing a batch of pleas challenging the validity of CAA, including those filed by the Indian Union Muslim League and Congress leader Jairam Ramesh. As per media reports, Attorney General K.K. Venugopal, appearing for the centre, told the bench that the government has been given copies of around 60 pleas out of 144 petitions. He said it wanted time to respond to pleas which has not been served on it. Banyan Repertory Theatre celebrated its 36th Foundation Day at BRT Complex Wangkai Ningthenpukri Mapal today. At the event, Banyan Repertory Theatre Director Phazaton Chanu said that the day also fondly remembers late former director Sursen Maibang. She further said that more than 70 street plays have been showcased to the public since the establishment of the theatre. A team of narcotics cell under the supervision of Additional Superintendent of Police Operations, Imphal East arrested 2 drug peddlers at Khergaon Makha Lekai around 3:30 p.m. yesterday. The arrested persons has been identified as Mohammad Moinam Farizuddin, age 41 years, and Mohammad Moinam Amu, age 45 years, son of Mohammad Rafizuddin of Khergaon Makha, Khetri, Chandam Lekai. The narcotics cell team recovered 2 grams of heroin powder and 137 numbers of WY tablets from Mohammad Moinam Farizuddin, while half gram of heroin powder and rupees 10,700 were recovered from Mohammad Amu. Around 100 doctors of different departments of Jennings Hospital today protested in front of the hospital administrative block, demanding the removal of Director Dr. T.H. Bimo with immediate effect. The demand comes after Director Bimos failed to work towards the welfare of the staffs in their promotion. The protesters also condemned the prompt recruitment of faculty members just a day after circulating notification of job interview. China's National Health Commission today said that 440 people in 13 Chinese provinces were confirmed to be infected with the new coronavirus, with 9 deaths, and that there was evidence of respiratory transmission from patient to patient. According to media reports, the World Health Organization called a meeting today to consider declaring a global health emergency. With a rise in the outbreak of coronavirus cases in China's Wuhan, the Health Ministry has written to External Affairs Ministry seeking details of travelers from Wuhan city who have sought visa to travel to India before December 31st of 2019. As per media reports, the Health Ministry also asked the External Affairs Ministry to counsel the applicants while issuing visa. 8 tourists, including 4 minors from Kerala, died in Nepal after they fell unconscious, probably due to a gas leak from a heater in their room at the mountainous resort, report said. According to reports, a group of 15 tourists from Kerala were on their way back home and stayed at Everest Panorama Resort in Daman of Makawanpur district in Nepal on the night of January 20 when the incident took place. US President Donald Trump yesterday said he was talking about the situation in Kashmir with Pakistan Prime Minister Imran Khan and will certainly be helping, a remark that came ahead of a meeting of the 2 leaders on the sidelines of the World Economic Forum in Davos. Trump made the remarks at a media briefing before talks with Khan, who the US President described as his very good friend.